Everybody's on the track.
Leave it there.
Don't get killed! Get off the track!
No, just leave it.
Get off the track!
Leave it.
God! Oh my God!
My favorite outdoor activity is going to the front door to get my Amazon package and then running back inside.
Doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Son, can you buy me a soft drink? Coke or Pepsi? Coke. Diet or regular? Regular. Bottle or can? Bottle. 8 ounce or liter? Forget it, just buy me a water. Natural or mineral? Mineral. Hot or cold? I'm gonna hit you with a broom. Stick broom or soft broom? You animal. Cow or chicken? Get out of here. Now or later? Now! Are you gonna come with me or not? I'm gonna kill you.
Decided to act like I was dying in front of Bruno to see his reaction.
Bro. Nah, I'm dying.
Did he really just laugh 3 times?
Bro, I'm supposed to be dead. I'm supposed to be dead. What are you?